concerned, we are not serious at all, our dear friends. We visited the primary goal of the format class survey, and the green-eyed monster did everywhere. You guessed it, it's jealousy. No matter how close-knit any group of friends are, jealousy always seems to find its way through. Let's see how this group of friends deal with it. Our story focuses on an energetic group of friends who share a deep bond. Today, they decide to stop talking about anything other than the most awaited school event, the talent show. Finally! Did you guys hear about the talent show coming up next week? I can't wait to get this stuff for all. Everyone's so gonna love it. Oh my goodness! Look people! A talent show after ages! Exciting! We can perform as a group. Yes! Let's go as a trio. We can be the terrific team. Oh, but Arvind, let's include the boys as well. Don't we always do stuff together? They may be one group, but secretly, Chloe hated Carter. He was easygoing, kind, and always in the center of attention. But Chloe was quite jealous about it because she craved the spotlight. Hey everyone! I have an amazing weekend! How did yours go? We had a big picnic and it was so much fun! Well, mine too! Mom and I baked sugar cookies and she let me do the icing on them. They turned out so cute! How was yours, Carter? Carter? Oh yes, regarding that, Alexa, Emily and I decided to do it together. Right, girls? We wanted an only girls group. Am I right? Oh, that's all right. Sam and I will pick up something. There's nothing we can't do, is there? Oh yes, let's go. Oh, you won't beat us. Being back by while everyone prepared for the upcoming talent show. While the rest of the friends acted normal, Chloe kept acting mean towards the boy and always suspected the other girls of giving out about their performance to them. Everyone had to be on their toes around Chloe. It was such a hard time. By now, all of you must have seen how the green-eyed monster, jealousy, has started to spread its havoc. This reminds us of Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa alihi hadith sharif. हसद उस तरीके में चुप्पल मवद्दत दोस्त हसद कर मोहब्बत की बीमारी वासी है. Being jealous of friend is an illness that breeds friendship. Being jealous of someone is bad in itself, but being jealous of a friend is the worst of all. How the preparations for the talent show coming up, dear? You've been awfully quiet about it. It's going well, Mom. So Alexa, Emily, and I formed our own group, where the terrific threes. But what about Sam and Carter? The five of you do everything together. Oh, it's boring having them around. Besides, Carter is quite bossy, and Sam blindly follows whatever he says. Carter just wants to steal the spotlight. Oh, come on, Chloe. Snap out of it. We all know that you're jealous of Carter. He's a natural, and he's always in the spotlight. If only you were as genuine as him, we wouldn't be having this conversation in the first place. Now, my dear, the five of you have been friends for years. The green-eyed monster, as we all know about, is always lurking around the corners of our heart, waiting for a chance to run a good bond we share with other people. If you don't connect to it now, you may not be able to handle the consequence it brings later. Yes, ma'am, I've got to run. My favorite TV show is on now. Chloe's mom was right. Jealousy was turning her into a bitter and cold person. It even made her talk and think poorly of her. In fact, jealousy causes so much trouble. We have to seek protection from Allah Ta'ala to protect us from the evil of a jealous person. Let us read Surah Al-Falaq. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. قل أعوذ برب الفلق من شر ما خلق ومن شر غاسق إذا وقب ومن شر النفاثات في العقد ومن شر حاسد إذا حسد. صدق الله العلي العظيم. In the last ayah from Surah Al-Falaq, we ask for refuge and protection from Allah Ta'ala from the sharp evil caused by a jealous person. It is also well known that jealousy is very bad for physical and mental health. Al-Hasad wa Yaqulul Jasad. Jealousy is a major problem. Hello, this is Diamond Kata. Welcome to a puppet show. Sam and I have prepared something interesting for you with a lot of thought. Carter, you're in your pajamas? Yes, it is right. It's Saturday. I'm having a day off. No, it's 6 o'clock. It's Tuesday. You got school today. That's not fair. Why? Someone stole the weekend and ran away with it. Carter, enough with the drama and get ready for school just like the other kids here. But I'm not like the other kids here, Sam. I'm a red purple. Ratu, pain manager. Who cares, Carter? Ratu, Sumonin. You have to go to school unless you want right now. Oh, I just remembered. I got a sore throat. You perfectly fine last night, singing in the shower. You're right, Sam. It happened in the night. That's it. I've lost my voice. You haven't lost your voice, Carter. You were talking to me a minute ago, remember? It's no good. I can't go. You haven't got a temperature, have you? Let me check. Are you hot? I may not be hot, but just look at me. I look hot, don't I? Look at my color. अरे मैं मोटा किया ना तो दाढ़ी में है मेरा भैया. अच्छा now मैं color काटा है. Absolutely fine. Now come on. Hey, what are you doing? Okay, now what's the problem? Why don't you come to school? I'm gonna heartache. A heartache? I'm not a stomachache. What's a heartache? It's a favorite here. When did it start? Yesterday in maths. What happened? And the eraser went down. And the teacher at the back of the table, but he was not on the board. And how did I give you a heartache? Is it teacher? Is it not you? Tom said it was my fault. And he said he saw me through the eraser. Well, that wasn't very nice, but you didn't throw the eraser, did you? Well, you did you? If not part of wearing the holidays on your water, I wanted to shout, goal! That was such a cheerful and a light-hearted performance, Sam and Kata. Hats off to you two. It's been a while since I laughed so hard. You guys never fail to humor the school, do you? Thank you. We're glad to have entertained you. that so is. I think you'll have no doubt about who is going to win when you see our performance. We are going to show you how amazing we are at multitasking. We are going to recite a poem while showing you some movements. 1, 2, 3. We move and we keep it. My oh my, what a wonderful day! This was such a disaster. Darn this rope. This was a bad idea from the start. Chloe, if only you weren't so jealous of Carter and Sam, we all could have done something better together. We are very sorry for the mess we have made. We should have taken the time to plan something that we could execute instead of trying to outshine our friends due to jealousy. It's alright, girls. We think you have learned your lesson today and we will not add salt to your wounds. I hope you three realize how much of damage a little bit of jealousy can result in. You three are amazingly talented in your own way and could have come up with something better if you focused on that instead. Not always remember that in our heart there is for only one thing, love and peace. If we choose to build our heart, hatred and healthy, between our lives and the lives of our dear friends, we promise ourselves today that we will not let jealousy ruin our friendship, and that we, the class of primary 4, will remain best friends forever. We wish for all the friends here today, those older to us and those younger to us, to do the same. So, let us recite the Nasihat of Sayyidina